If you're like me, you like to look at moving averages while analyzing different stocks. And if you use ThinkorSwim, you might have noticed that there's only one default simple moving average on ThinkorSwim, and it's the 9-day simple moving average. So let's walk through how to change this to a 200-day moving average. First, I want to make sure that I'm logged in to the desktop version of ThinkorSwim and that I'm on my charts tab and I'm looking at a chart. So I am on the charts tab and I'm currently looking at a daily chart for Apple. Now I'm going to go towards the upper right hand corner in this blue bar where it says studies, and I'm going to click there. I'm going to scroll down to where it says edit studies and click there. If you're not familiar with ThinkorSwim, this is where ThinkorSwim holds all of the different indicators for the charts. It's under this studies section. And so on the left side here, we see that we're on the studies tab and there are a bunch of different names and there is a search bar at the top. So I'm going to click into the search bar and I'm going to type in simple. And when I do that, the simple moving average is going to come up. And we can see that there's a small image of a scroll and also a little lock image there. And what that means is that this code is locked. So you can't change this code. So I am going to click on that scroll. And here is the code. As we said, it's locked, so I can't edit it. I could try to type something in, nothing's going to happen. But what I can do is I can copy this code, and that's exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to go to the bottom of the code, and I'm going to click and hold and drag my mouse to the top, very beginning of the code. And then I'm going to copy it by doing Control C. At this point, I want to close out of this window, and I am back now on the Edit Studies and Strategies. So I'm going to go down to the left-hand corner where it says Create and click on that button. And this is where I'm able to make my custom study or indicator. So I'll be making the 200-day simple moving average. So I first am going to name this. Mine says new study 3. So I'm going to click in the box, backspace to delete it, and type in simple moving average 200 because this is going to be a 200-day moving average. Now, in the code where it says plot data equals close, I'm going to click the end of that code, delete everything out, and then I want to paste in that code that we had copied previously. So I'm going to click Control V. Okay, great. So the simple moving average code has been pasted into this, but the default for this is a 9-day simple moving average, and we want to change this to the 200-day simple moving average. So we're going to go to the second line of the code where it says input length equals 9, and we want to change this 9 to 200. So we're going to backspace to delete the number 9, and we're going to type in 200. And that is all we have to do. Now we're going to go to the lower right-hand corner where it says OK. It's a green OK button, and we're going to click there. And at this point, the new simple moving average 200 study has been added onto my price chart. We see this because on the right it says price and it says simple moving average 200. And I'm going to go to the lower right-hand corner of this pop-up window and I'm going to click apply. And then I'm going to click the green OK button. At this point, we've successfully created the 200-day simple moving average study and we've added it onto our chart.